Introducing the Crystal-F-X Accessory Kit, your go-to solution for organizing, creating, and dazzling with crystals, gems, and more. This clear plastic storage box is the perfect companion for Crystal-F-X enthusiasts. Featuring a hinged lid and a secure snap-shut mechanism, this box offers both visibility and protection for your sparkling supplies. Inside, discover an array of storage boxes catering to your organizational needs. 2 large boxes, 1 medium box, and 14 small boxes ensure a designated space for crystals, rhinestones, flatbacks, and other gems. Enhance your crafting experience with essential tools included in the kit. A bent-nose tweezer and 2 wax pencils are ideal for precision work, allowing you to effortlessly pick up and position your pieces. The 3 sorting trays with grooves simplify organization. Each tray's funnel end facilitates easy pouring of beads back into their respective containers. Part of the Beadsmith's Crystal-F-X line, this accessory kit is designed to accurately attach crystals, sequins, gems, jewels, flatback stones, and more. Combine it with the Pickup Artist, magical trays, and Precision Applicator Glue sirrinnges for a complete crafting experience.